After connecting the battery, press the safety button, then it will be ready for flying. Then move the throttle stick to right side so that it will arm, so you can hear the beep. Then it is ready for flying. Slowly increase the throttle so that it will lift the quadcopter little up. So now I'm flying in stabilized mode. So if I give any input, it will respond. Otherwise it will try to stabilize the quad like it's. Now let's fly this in altitude hold mode. So in altitude hold mode, you need to move the throttle 75%, then only it will take off. So once it is reaching certain altitude, so you can bring down the throttle to center so that it will stay in that altitude. If yeah, like this you can see here now. So it is staying because here it is little windy, that's why it is struggling. So you can control the pitch and roll, yeah. So if it is a calm weather, so it will stay in that altitude like you can see here, right? So here I'm struggling because of the wind.